Hey, I'm Adam Matthews for XForce USA, and today with me is one of the baddest trucks on four wheels, the Ford F-150 V8. If you're looking to upgrade the power and sound of your Ford F-150, the guys over at XForce have come up with a great catback solution to gain more power and sound off of your truck. Both the systems use 304 grade stainless steel and bolt straight onto your existing factory mounts, meaning enhanced aesthetics, quality, performance, and easy installation. XForce USA's catback system is a great option for giving your truck a much needed boost in both power and sound. Thanks to XForce's system, you can enjoy the new sound of your Ford V8. XForce's Varex mufflers, standard on both systems, give you control over the exhaust tone by remote control, shifting from silent to roaring sports mode at the push of a button. For more information, check out xforceusa.com.